Hello everyone, welcome to Arte Brigade, yet another beautiful art video. In this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful textured line art. This is a homemade texture paste which I made using plaster of Paris glue and water. You can watch my texture paste video on my YouTube channel. I have linked the video in my description box below. You can check it out. I applied the texture paste all over my canvas. Then I'm using a texture scraper, which is a perfect for making texture lines. As you can see, a fine smooth texture lines coming out of this texture scraper is so satisfying. I waited for some time to dry the texture paste completely. Then I applied burnt umber. That's one of my favorite color for applying texture artworks. I haven't applied the paint completely on the texture. I just left the white spaces as it is because it brings some naturality to the paint. Here I used a very dry brush for applying colors on texture. This is one of the easy method for practicing texture art. Before applying the paint, you have to wait for the texture to dry completely. Otherwise, paint will mix with the texture and the texture cracks will come out. This painting is from the series Abstract Minimalism, so I'm using only 3 colors here for the texture art, and the one I used here is burnt umber, and second color I used here is gray, and the third one I will use a black shade. I was applying paint in a very gentle touch using dry brush. To add some shining effect, I thought to add a little bit of a gold leaf, so that I applied gold leaf adhesive on the textured areas. Once the glue is completely dry, apply gold leaf very gently. This gold and gray and burnt umber combination makes the art more rustic and a vintage kind of look. It's a very slow process. It takes a lot of time to finish the painting, and I had been painting this artwork for more than 2 hours, but the video takes only 5 or 6 minutes. So take your time and do your best. To make the painting to feel more artistic, I added black around the sides of gold leaf. You can follow the steps like what I'm doing here. This technique actually makes the gold leaf pop out more from the dark black color. finally this is how it looks. The smooth, fine texture lines is the highlight of this kind of texture artwork. So you can try this simple and easy texture art at your home with your homemade texture paste. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video. Thank you.